Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to make this trailer able to have snowmobile. So you can see we have actually had sleds in here, but they're really scratching up the ground here. Kind of see right there, it's really just scratching it up. So that's not great. So what we have here is we're doing the poor man's way to do this. We have a bed liner that I picked up for cheap and an old track. Let's get at it. So the first thing I'm going to do is just cut down these lugs because this trailer has dual use. It's also being used for utility purposes. So I don't want to be tripping as we walk in and out of the trailer. I've got this oscillating tool. Let's see if it works. I think I need a better blade. So the track has all these bumps here for the drive cogs, and that would basically raise the effective height. Even though we cut off the other side, it will raise the effective height about a solid ½ inch. So let's cut those off.
Are you gonna nail gun it?
I'm gonna screw it. Get two and then put one. Can you do that? All right, let's make sure it still closes fine. All right, let's take a look inside. Oh yeah, beautiful. So old track, maybe have one around, kicking around for free. An old bed liner, I picked mine up for 50 bucks. You can, I heard even if you find a place that does spraying bed liners, they'll have a stock of old ones that they may even give you for free. Hope this video is useful and see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.